Dino's Workshop.
Hey up, little job for the daughter coming up. A bit of shelving in the airing cupboard, just some simple stuff, just simple job. Basically it's just slatted shelving, just a couple of shelves, about 1300 long by about 400 wide, and this is what I'm going to make them out of. So some would have just picked up from the big box store. Expensive for what it is, to be honest with you, but that's the price of stuff nowadays, unless I start ripping stuff down, and I couldn't be bothered with all that, I'll be honest with you. So anyway, some simple shelving, let's see how it goes. Tell you what, these packs of wood as you buy from up the big box store, I think these should have been, I can't remember what they were, 42 mil, something like that, and that's around about 42. But then you look at that one, and that's near a 45. There's like 3 mil difference. It's a good job. I'm not reliant on it being sort of bang on. I mean, I've got the tools to kind of shim stuff down anyway to get it down to size, but the idea of this was it's just a quick job. So, but anyway, if anybody's reliant on stuff being right, don't go big box store for your stuff, because it's, to be honest with you, it's pretty crap stuff. Just cut some 25mm spacers. So we're going to have a 25mm gap between each one. 6 slats, that'll give me a shelf around about 390mm deep, which should be ample. I've cut these with a slight angle on the front, just to make them look a bit better, I suppose. And I've basically cut 4 to fix to the walls, one either side of the shelf, and then 3 to support the slats. So I'll build the shelves up now. That's it, first one done. Like I say, on this side here, I've got you just set back a bit, and that's where the cuts are, if you like. I'll make the other one, then I'll give them a bit of a sand off. Just make them, get rid of any bits that are hanging off. That's both of them done. Now, I did screw up on the second one. As you can see here at the front, the first one I did is like a 10mm probably recess. When I did the second one, it ended up more or less level. not such a big deal. And what I did, basically, when I come put the spacers in, I put the spacer in the wrong way around. Like I say, it's no big deal. It's only bloody airing cupboard. So, anyway, they're done. Just need fitting now. When I come to fit them, it didn't take long. I used the laser level to get the levels, you know, so I could mark a line around the wall. And then I put these end pieces on, these end supports. Marked them up first where I wanted the holes drilling, but because I'm on studded walls and you don't know what's in these walls, there's actually a socket behind here, so I've got to be wary. What I do, I push a screwdriver through first, and I've got a bit of a drill bit I just push through, make sure everything's clear at the back. Make sure I don't get into any wires or pipes. I use some no nails to just give it that bit of extra support, because I was only using sort of 6mm raw plugs, small screws. I did the same for both sides, and then I fitted a small block in the middle just to give the centre of the shelf a bit of support. That's it, that's all the supports fitted. Just the shelves to go in now. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And anyway, that's the end of the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.